There is no space because my room is very small room. Already I have one MIDI keyboard is there. Okay, this is the piano tone. Okay. Yes. Actually, this is the European piano. I mixed. Already I EQ and I put the effects. Okay, next tone is strings, piano with the strings. Look, piano with the strings. So we can make it the effects. We can use live effects. Okay, the effects means the tone. This is MFX. Okay, delay. We can change the effects. MFX. We can pitch riser like that. Many effects is there. Here delay. We can change many delays. 3D delay, delay. Then reverb also, plate reverb, room reverb, studio reverb, many reverb is here. We can operate in live. This is compression, this is tone, this is overdrive. Okay, this is I styled this one, pitch bend wheel. This basically this is an organ. Okay, we can our full organ setup here. Okay, next tone is vintage. This is vintage E piano. Okay, next one, E piano with the software. This is pad, and I had added some pads. Okay, then this is bank 1, bank 2, enter, press the button. This is E piano plus the European piano, so E piano. Next tone, European harp. Brass. Okay, next tone, strings. This is I want the edited tones. Okay, if you want some changes, you have. Okay, you can change this here and here also. Okay, if any doubts, I can teach. Okay, next, bank 3. Here's some synth. Okay, we can, this is cut off. Okay, if you move like, look, okay, this is like this tone, this one transpire, next tone, second tone. Cut off it. Okay, so next sync this one, all edited tones. Okay, this is only the Roland V stage keyboards only have the tone. I edited some tones here. Okay, next super sauce, this one, just little look, trans. If you move, if I operate here, look, the drive is more drive. Okay, multi effects, look, if I, okay, I cannot fix this camera. Okay, look the sound, look the sound, look. Look the sound. This is multi effects, we can slice it. Look, the slicer, this is the sound. If I play like this, just use the sustain pedals. Okay, now I sustained and use it the effects. Sorry. The multi effects, look, these are also the one sound effects. If you, this is sound beam, this is sensor. Okay, if you keep the hand like this, this is the sensor. Okay, next bank 4, the tone, synth. Okay, I make the sound synth voice. Also look the sound, twing. Oh, this is, we can change, I said already, MFX, we can change slicer, ring modulator. Ring modulator means, look, the sound, the sound, we can change any sounds. Okay, next This is effect, sound effects all actually. The tremolo effect, look. The MFX tremolo. Okay. Ambience tone. Okay, next grand piano. This is reverse hexachorus. Next solemn. This is very killed voice. This is a pitch bend. If you use like this, look. Okay, this is awesome tone for lead. Okay, this is next tremolo, some effects. This is actually cut off piano. Cut off piano is not release, only attack. Look, attack. Next brass, already we saw. This is flute. Okay, we can adjust the pitch bend. Okay, this is awesome flute. I edited some tone. Okay. Next we can I created many banks. Okay, look, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 22 means I already edited. Okay. Okay, this is the edit tone. Next one, organ, mainly organ, cool organ. Okay, look, organ. Next we can adjust this tone also. Look. This vibrato chorus. Some tones here. This is very cool organ. Okay, next this is also I edited tones. These all I now I showing. These all edited tones. Okay, here registration band. Next if you want I will show the preset tones.